So you want to go to the Outback because Scooby, you went to the Outback?
Yeah. And basically I've never seen the Outback. We've gone.
Never? Not once?
Nope. Only on TV I have.
I've heard they have big spiders there.
Tarantulas, because those are the really only thing that lives in the desert.
Oh, yeah?
I guess
What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? My name is B with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I'm so excited to have you back here in the garage with me because we have this amazing 2012 F350 in ingot silver metallic. I love metallic paints, and this detail is going to be sick. The exterior is not in horrible shape, it really isn't, but the interior is just the normal wear and tear on a vehicle. This is not the daily driver of the customers, however, they use it quite a bit, so there's definitely some dust and debris on the inside. The exterior has all the normal hallmarks. The tailgate is dirty and dusty. What else on the outside? All the wheels and tires, they're not horrible. The wheel wells are not carpeted, so that'll be simple. Keep the garage floor a little bit nicer, but let's get rolling with wheels and tires. This is going to be another amazing adventure. Let's go to work. As a detailer in northern Utah, you get spoiled because you have a couple of months where it's miserable cold and you don't get to, you don't have to deal with all the bug grime like this F350 has right here. But when summer comes, it's obviously better weather outside, but the bugs come back and it's land to clean up. Is that a butterfly? Wins and losses. Even though there's not a ton of dust and debris on here, we're still going to use all the normal steps to get it clean: iron remover, wheel and tire cleaner. Pre-rinse, pre-soak, pre-wash. Built Hamburg Auto Foam. I struggle with that. Hands down, one of the best washing methods, 2-bucket foam cannon. That combination, amazing for the hand wash. Let's chemically decontaminate. Iron remover. Shocked how much iron is on here. It's a lot more than I thought. Let's do a little lap. It's always satisfying when you get to watch it come off. My awesome little brother called me the other day and said he wished I could have filmed his. He's got a CX-5. Yeah, he and his awesome wife have a CX-5. And he said that he wished I could have seen it because he hadn't done the iron remover for a while. And I guess it was just a mess. Just a mess, which is always fun to film. Gonna do one more round with the foam cannon, and we're gonna do some decontamination, physical decontamination, then one final rinse. Let's prep for the paint protection. There's no sense in cleaning the entire vehicle without protecting the paint, so let's do that. Before we move on to the interior, Spartacus and I were having a conversation. He was out here earlier helping me fold rags and just prep for the detail, prep the studio as it were. And he asked me where the Outback was, or maybe he asked me if we could go to the Outback. And I said, yes, but little does he know I am deathly afraid of, well, no, he knows that I'm deathly afraid of snakes. Little does he know just how many terrifying creatures live in the Outback. If I have any Australians that are fans of the channel, you should comment down below with something that's absolutely bonkers that lives there, because Spartacus, I'm sure, would love to hear about it. You can tell the difference. I've detailed so many F1, 2, and 350s. Have I done any like 450? I don't think I've done anything really bigger than that. Well, I did that motorhome, and I think that was off the Ford platform, I think. I don't remember. But I've done so many of these that you can tell when it's a daily driver and when it's just a normal detail. This is definitely a normal detail. Still gonna be super sick. And there's a couple of things I've never seen before. And let me show you one right now. I have done so many of these trucks that I'm shocked I've never seen. The lock down here, and it's on both sides. It just, the seat comes down, locks in, and then this makes it so it can't unlock. I think that's pretty cool. I'm fairly certain it's always going to be a love-hate relationship with the Tornador. It makes a huge mess, but it also gets that really ingrained dust out of the fibers. So yeah, I can't hate it completely, but I can't love it completely either, because it makes such a big, catastrophic mess. Do you want to know what's... I kept thinking of easy things to compare the carpet cleaning to, and I could only come up with like childish insults. So do you want to know what's going to be really easy? Cleaning the carpet. carpet cleaning was kind of lame. Only filmed a tiny bit of it. Let's clean some leather. Should also be pretty lame. No, this will be sick. It's always sick. This is probably the part of the detail I have been most excited about because the plastics are just dusty. Just a bunch of stuck dust. But my process is gonna get them clean. I have my microfiber towels and leather protection. Let's make this leather look amazing. Leather looks amazing. Let's make the plastics look the same. Truck's too beautiful for just the normal after photos. Let's do a little lap, cause yeah. I would like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, Epic customer, for bringing me this F350. This is a beautiful truck. I absolutely love the paint. I really hope you love this video, and I hope you like the results of the detail. Fun fact, this customer is actually one of the gift certificates I sold. I believe it was for Father's Day. And I went through my drawer to grab my inhaler just a little bit ago, and there's a card in there from my amazing niece that she gave me on Father's Day. And that little kid, she's got my heart. She's a sweet kid. But I appreciate you hanging out. Up here is a link to subscribe. Up here is a link to, let's see what video. I'll do another 350, F350, because I've done more than one. You guys are awesome. Thanks for hanging out.